Tammy Slaton has made headlines for years. From her intense health struggles to her viral TikToks and her turbulent personal life, the 1000 Sisters star has become a pop culture icon in her own right. But no moment in her journey has been as transformative, or as public, as her recent appearance at her first big event since undergoing life-changing surgery. For fans who followed her from rock bottom to remarkable resilience, it was a moment that didn't just mark progress, it screamed rebirth. The event, a regional wellness and body positivity conference in Kentucky, became the unexpected stage for Tammy's triumphant return to the spotlight. Though it wasn't a red carpet Hollywood premiere or glitzy awards ceremony, it felt just as meaningful. For Tammy, it wasn't about flash, it was about proving to herself and the world that she is more than her past, more than her size, and more than a reality show storyline. When she stepped out of her car that sunny afternoon, the cameras flashed, onlookers gasped, and a hush fell over the small crowd gathered outside the community event center. Wearing a flowy plum dress, a light denim jacket, and a bright smile, Tammy Slaton looked worlds away from the woman viewer first met in the early seasons of 1000 Sisters. Her cheeks were radiant, her body visibly slimmer, but it was her eyes, brimming with confidence and pride, that told the real story. Just a few months earlier, Tammy had undergone a graphic and high-risk skin removal surgery following massive weight loss. The procedure, led by a renowned bariatric surgeon, was not just cosmetic, it was critical for her continued health and quality of life. The surgery came after years of emotional breakdowns, physical limitations, and even a medically induced coma. The journey had not only broken her physically at times, it tested every ounce of her mental strength. Many fans doubted whether she would make it. Critics called her unmotivated, lazy, and even hopeless. But Tammy Slaton proved every last one of them wrong. Post-surgery recovery was brutal. The pain was intense, the mobility struggles were real. And emotionally, she was battling years of trauma, regret, and fear. But slowly and steadily, she healed, not just her wounds, but her sense of worth. Her sisters, Amy and Mishti, were both in attendance at the event. Amy, who has had her own weight loss journey documented on the show, was emotional as she watched Tammy greet attendees, smile for photos, and give an impromptu speech. "This ain't the same Tammy," Amy said backstage with tears in her eyes. "This is someone new, someone stronger." Tammy's speech at the event was raw and unfiltered. She spoke of her darkest moments, her time on oxygen, the hospitalizations, the mental toll of online bullying, and the heartbreak of losing loved ones while she was still battling her own health. But she also spoke about hope, about her doctors, about her therapist, about learning to love herself at every size. "I thought the world hated me," she said into the mic, her voice cracking, "but I realized the person who had me the most was me. And I had to forgive myself." The audience rose to their feet. Strangers cheered, people cried, and in that moment, it wasn't about a television show or a weight loss milestone. It was about a woman who had been written off by society standing tall, literally and emotionally, and reclaiming her life. Tammy also revealed during her speech that she's working on a new project that could surprise fans. While she didn't go into full detail, sources close to the reality star say she's been in talks to launch a podcast focusing on healing from trauma, self-love, and surviving public scrutiny. There are also whispers that she may be writing a memoir, one that tells the real story behind the headlines and edits of reality television. Following the event, Tammy posed for photos with fans, signed autographs, and even danced a little with a local band that was playing at the after party. Videos from the event quickly made their way onto TikTok, with fans praising her transformation. "Tammy is glowing," one user commented. "I'm actually crying watching this." Another posted, "This is the comeback of the decade. She deserves the world." But not everyone was cheering. Online forums buzzed with mixed reactions. Some speculated that Tammy was still playing the fame game, while others accused the event of being a PR stunt orchestrated by TLC. Still, the overwhelming tone was one of celebration, admiration, and yes, shock at just how far she had come. In private interviews after the event, Tammy admitted she still struggles. "I have bad days," she said. "There are mornings I wake up and don't want to move. There are nights I cry because my skin still hurts or because I miss people who aren't here anymore. But I don't give up. Not anymore. Tammy's health journey is far from over. Doctors have warned her that long-term success depends on continued mental and physical effort. But for now, she's savoring every moment of her new beginning. She's reconnected with family, taken up journaling, and is reportedly seeing someone new who she says treats her like a queen. Back at the Slayton family home, photos from the event now hang framed in the hallway. Amy says they serve as daily reminders that nothing is impossible when you fight for yourself. We used to dream about this version of Tammy, Amy whispered in one interview, holding her baby close. Now she's real. And as for what's next, Tammy says she's not sure, but she's open. Open to love, open to opportunity, open to happiness, and open to change. In a world quick to judge, cancel, and condemn, Tammy Slayton's first big public event since surgery did something rare. It offered a story of growth, redemption, and raw, unpolished truth. She didn't show up as a perfect woman. She showed up as a brave one. And for many fans, that's more inspiring than any number on a scale. This might not be the end of her journey, but it's definitely the beginning of something beautiful. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.